Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Headset firmware, GPU drivers, and platform software are up to date. Once done, physically inspect cables and USB ports. A loose or underpowered port often causes stutter and tracking dropouts. Make quick software changes next. Close background apps that steal GPU, set the VR runtime or game to high priority, and reboot headset and PC. These initial steps remove common causes, so you can move into deeper diagnostics with a clean baseline and fewer variables. Now you perform detailed checks. Enable the performance overlay and verify a steady frame rate matching your headset, such as 90 or 120 FPS. Frame drops point to GPU or CPU headroom issues. Once measured, return settings to defaults and reproduce the glitch. Reintroduce changes one at a time to isolate the trigger. For tracking problems, recalibrate base stations or inside-out sensors, adjust room lighting, and remove reflective objects, because optical interference often masquerades as software glitches. Finish by applying targeted mitigations. Reduce render scale or resolution, enable asynchronous reprojection or space warp to smooth frames, and check compositor settings. If problems persist, perform a clean reinstall of the VR runtime and GPU drivers using removal tools, because corrupted installs can cause subtle errors. Finally, test the headset on a different PC or try a different headset on your PC to pinpoint hardware versus software faults. One troubleshooting tip: capture logs during a repro attempt, log speed diagnosis, and shorten repair time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.